Welcome to Pioneer Drive in Smyrna. Nice, well-established neighborhood here off the old Nashville Highway in Smyrna. And what we have here today is a nice brick home with what we call a daylight basement. In other words, you drive around back in your garage, and some more storage area is underneath the living quarters. Large backyard. Fades off into the woods. And we have here a one-car garage plus a more unfinished area that would be a playroom or just storage. And then we'll go up the back stairway back here up into the main part of the house. So we'll find that we have 3 bedrooms, 1.5 bath, plus a large kitchen. We enter into the kitchen. A very large kitchen, plenty of cabinets, stove, refrigerator, and dishwasher. Window overlooking the backyard here above the sink. Very large den area here with a wood-burning fireplace. Our living room, here's the front door, a hardwood entrance, new carpet throughout. And then we have a formal dining room area back here, or you could just use this all as a large den. Large living room. A lot of living possibilities living-wise here in these 2 rooms, very large rooms, multiple use rooms. And our bedrooms are back here. Our first one on the front of the house. Nice bifold door closet. And our main bath here off of this bedroom. Tub, shower surround. Vanity with large mirror. And we have out here the linen closet located here in the home. The second bedroom, also facing the front of the house, has 2 nice windows and bifold door closet. Our master bedroom is here on the end of the house, on the back, overlooking the big backyard. And it has a half bath. Very nice house, well-established neighborhood, very reasonable rent. And all this is brought to you by Properties Unlimited of Tennessee. We're located at 403 North Walnut Street in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. Area code 37130. You can reach us at zip code 37130, area code 615-890-6565. And also you can find us at our company website, information about this and the other over 400 properties that we manage at lindadillon.com.